In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the outer tail light in your Nissan Armada. Located in the back of the vehicle. Let's get started. We're going to open the tailgate. We're going to use a plastic trim tool and we're going to pop this cover off. The way you do that, you're going to go ahead and wedge it in between right here. You're going to do the same on the top and slide this cover off. Now we can see there's going to be two 10mm bolts. Using a 10mm socket, go ahead and take those out. With the bolts off, we're going to go ahead and grab onto the top of the tail light and over here, and what we're going to do is we're going to twist in this position to break it loose. We're going to be doing the same on the bottom. And now we can slide it off. Now we can go ahead and disconnect these. Go ahead and twist this cover off. And now you're going to see there's going to be a connector in there. Go ahead and take that out. Just like that. We're going to be doing the same with these ones. Go ahead and slide the bulb out. And we're going to be doing the same with this one. Unclip it from here. And get the tail light out of the car. And here's the tail light. Now we can go ahead and install the light bulbs in the tail light. We're going to start by lining up the bottom one. Click it in. Line it up and make sure you lock it in place. Do the same on the next one. And now we can go ahead and install this connector. Just give it a light tug to make sure that it is secure. Now we can install the lid. And also make sure that it is locked. For this harness, go ahead and slide it in. Right here. And now we're ready for installation. We're going to line up these two studs with the two holes that are on the vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and line it up and push the whole taillight assembly in. Just like that. Now we can go ahead and install the two 10mm bolts that go on the inside. Go ahead and put them by hand. I like to fit into the socket. Do the same one on the bottom. Make sure you got some threads. And now go ahead and just snug them up. Now we can go ahead and install the cover. Line it up. Make sure you're fully lined up. And then just clip it in place. Now we can go ahead and close the tailgate. And one more thing, you just want to check for functionality.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.